My people, how na dey? Also na dey fine. My people, na never hear say Hairworld don't pay the money wey be say that friend wey come and say he give Hairworld husband money for visa. Say the visa not come and gbogbo and make they call return their money. Hairworld don't pay the money. Not be small thing, you don't pay. How una see the video where she do yesterday? How una see This one is my opinion. For me, that video no enter. Okay, it no enter. Why? Ask me why. Hairworld no go tell us say she no know if friend number. He no know if family. He no know another friend where be saying na friends before he come do that video. He no enter. You know. Second, he can't they call Abat brother. Even they beg him. Man when he come out, Abat Betty, when he come out say, he go make sure say, Destiny go come they carry plate, come they beg food to eat. When not total, now come they call him brother. You see the video where you do yesterday, this one is my opinion. Now to say notice me, na me good pass. Now you do. Now me good pass. Because if really you no want, may you do na me good pass. You know the way where you take find out your friend. You know a house. You know anything about her. You know if you tell us, say you don't know. You say they send you the video because you know they watch. All these things, you know they watch her. You know if you tell us, say you don't know, say Abba, they drag your husband since then. Say many people where be say you go do visa, where be say visa no agree come out, that they drag your husband. You say na true you, now your friends can't say she want constantly do her own. Everybody knows say visa na try your luck. The fee give you for Lagos, you go enter abroad for gate to stamp you in. They go return you go back. It still they happen. My sister, you see this thing where you do so. I so much believe say that video where you do, your husband no know. It's not aware. And you bring your husband down. Ask me how. You say you go pay. You're not supposed to do like that. As a housewife, where be say something don't they go like this. You go say, my sister, you're not even supposed to call live video. You go settle the issue for his house. Find where you want to find out your friend. Find number. You say block you. Even though say block you, you know a brother, you know a sister. You know where she they say. You go find the way where you want to resolve her. You can't do it to see to do say, now you, now a good pass. Now you get the money safe. Now even, you know, all those things. Now my opinion, they tell you, Jess, as a first wife, where you say you be, because me, you're supposed to resolve the issue for his house. Because made them say, Edward is the nice one, is the good one, is the this one, the second one. Even though say you even pay million. Why? Your pikin dead there. Esther pikin not dead there. And I will not bother nothing matter. Now only marry. Okay? So that's the way you do. For me, it not go well at all. Especially where you they bring your husband down. Instead of you to say, okay, as you do the video, maybe you want me you do that video, you first still say, okay, make the help you tell and say, make it contact. My husband go sort her out. My husband go sort the issue out. Not be say, when I send there, yeah, pay. I don't know why some of you now they bring una husband down and they think so now they hire. Maybe even over and say no. I not come here come beat you, but I don't want me. I can't tell you. A woman where be say he get husband half for house. He no go talk say he got pay. Not be only you want the man marry. And to respect your husband also, or that for me I sort it out. Now some me know say women wey marry na so they take the talk. Okay? I so much believe say your husband don't know about the video where you do. Because we don't know whether he really do the visa for the woman or the reject her or the woman not even go. We don't know. Hey, what? Hey, now watch out. As I see that video, I was like, oh, yeah, no, what about that from where the live video? He's saying, make sure say go bring them down. Everybody knows say now to bring people down. Now about Obazeji. About Betty. You know if you say you don't know say if they insult your husband will put you for house. When I do ati brother. Una do ati brother. Now they say about next thing they carry Esther, they drag her. He say go make sure say all your very no baby. About can't forget say who God don't bless, nobody can bring them down. Do you understand? You they happy, you they see am. You know if it all say you not see am. It they sweet you for body, yeah, sister. Now question I can ask you. All those things where be say this Ogbeti they do, you can they call them brother. Brother Kini. So you not see the one way everything where you do to your husband and to your second mommy. When I tell you brother, because you want to show us say you will pay the money. Na me good pass. Now so me I see I don't know as other people take see I go pay the money. If my husband not give you, don't worry you my friend. Sister, where is the pay? As far you don't start time, make sure say you pay the rest. Oh, not be only your friend. Oh, make sure say you pay the rest. Okay? Make sure say you pay the rest because you go chop for the money. Because where you born, you see they chop for the money. So make sure say you go pay the rest. Over Sabi now you do so. Nah. You fit talk say you do good. Now over Sabi sister now you do. Next time, if you want to do this kind of video, where be say contact your husband, you go first of all ask and say, honey, oh, yeah, we video, is it okay by you? I so much believe say your husband, he not say you want go do that kind of video. Una not the respect on a husband. Now so na get husband for his house. You get husband for his house. You come the nyana pata. Bring your account. I will pay the money. I wise hasa. Abba say the people where be say their visa not come. He said the many. Contact Abato. May you ask and say all those people make it give you the account. No make it that what pay you where. May everybody talk say now you be the best. Not be say you can't pay only your friends. Oh, the rest you not go pay. Auntie, you know they work like that. Oh, pay all. I'm making 9 wages. You be woman. Not be say you can't pay only your friends. Oh. Woman, you go at a time when my husband will sort it out. Una do ati and bat a brother. If they beat your husband like they think they beat small picking. Say go make sure say or you back boom or bottom hair ya go live no high. Una ati a brother. Ha! Now watch out. You see all these people will be like una. Me they fear them. Nah. They go do something without even say they even marry. Without even say make I ask my husband. Is the head of the family. Is the head of the house. With that, una just do baraka. Let me go and pay. The people for the praise me say, yes, I'm the good one. You see that one will not pay. That one, now devil, evil mind, and that one get. Because your friend, you not get a phone number. Person will call your marriage. Why? You not know their house. May you drive go. You feel tell us say you don't know about this issue. Talk truth. I say as now your friend now. You say now you bring and come. You not call even and say what you here. You don't travel. You never travel. The visa don't come out. No. You just feel a concern. You want to tell us say you don't know anything about that issue. Now where be say about can carry the woman can they drag your husband. He say now you bring and come just to clean your name. Sister, you not fit clean your name. As far as say you married to Ebagua, your name don't dey inside. Oh yeah, all the rest people just start to they bring money. Oh. Why pay that dog? Why pay ya? Not come pay only one. You say the rest you not pay. What's it bonny? Or maybe you can't say now only your husband. Now your husband doing. Auntie, you know they shop for the money. Oh yeah, na. Go and pay. Not pay only one. May you sit down for his house. So you not do well. You carry your husband now when go talk begidi. May therefore raise you. Me na good wife. If my husband do anything, I go pay. Did you ever even contact your husband to say, you do? I sometimes believe say you not do. Because otherwise now your husband supposed to pay that money. Even though say you even give her. But he go sound good. Say now your husband pay. He can't sound say now you can't pay. Ah! Some women una do. I agree to na pele o. The way one say they do, With the look now. All the seven they look now. Now you good pass. Now you be the best wife. Not be now make you do that video. Say you want go pay. Because about the right time come and say, Ebagua don't pay this one. Ebagua don't pay this one. Or you so say when now. Let you bring your account. Let me go and pay in. Make the person now you good pass. Why you not give the money to your husband? Even though say now you want pay. May his result say now your husband pay the money. One the month for work but what I say debit again. Una